Today, I'll show you how to cancel an Interac e-transfer in RBC Royal Bank. Whether you've sent money to the wrong person or simply need to reverse a transfer, canceling an Interac e-transfer is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open the RBC mobile app on your device and sign in to your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the Move Money option. This is your gateway to accessing all the money-moving functions, including e-transfers. After tapping Move Money, you'll need to select Send an Interac e-transfer. This might seem a bit counterintuitive since you're looking to cancel a transfer, but bear with me. Once there, navigate to the History tab at the top of the screen. This tab is crucial as it contains a record of all your recent Interac e-transfers. Now, within the History tab, carefully look for the specific Interac e-transfer you wish to cancel. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct one, as this will ensure the cancellation goes smoothly. Once you've found it, tap on it to bring up more details. Next, you'll see the option to cancel transfer. Give that a tap. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose the account where you want the money returned. Select the appropriate account so the funds can be redirected back to you. You'll also notice an option to add a message. This is entirely optional but can be useful if you want to include a note regarding why the transfer is being canceled. It's up to you whether to include a message or not. Once you've double-checked everything and feel confident about your choices, tap Cancel Now to finalize the cancellation. This action will complete the process and your money will be returned to your specified account. And that's it. You've successfully canceled an Interac e-transfer in RBC Royal Bank. This process is designed to be simple and efficient, ensuring you can make corrections quickly if needed. Remember, keeping track of your transactions is key to managing your finances effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.